Hey guys, it's Jermaine Morgan and I'm back with another one, but this time I want to do it a little different. I want to go back and grab some of the hymns and those spiritual songs that we heard in church growing up. But maybe for you, you didn't hear some of those songs growing up. And starting with volume 1, I wanted to go back and cover like 6 common songs that you will hear in church. So I wanted to make them available and show you exactly how to navigate these songs, how to play them, some different variations and some things you can do with the songs. You know, songs like Amazing Grace, I'll Fly Away, Thank You, Lord, This Is the Day, We Have the Victory, We Come This Far by Faith. Just old standards that we would hear oftentimes growing up in church. And from time to time, people will pull them out now. So it's one of those things that you really want to know because you don't want to be caught off guard. So I've already done the hard work for you and went through here and broke down exactly what I'm doing as I'm playing through these songs. I'll keep it simple. I'll keep it to the point to give you the meat and potatoes, how to get through the song, and show you some different variations of ways that you can navigate through this so you can feel confident when you play this stuff on Sunday morning. Because at the end of the day, we want to be able to give excellence, especially in ministry when we're sharing our gifts. And if you're new to the bass, this stuff isn't easy to always go and find a lesson on YouTube or that type of thing. So what I wanted to do was make it easy for you so you have access to this stuff. You know how to play it. You understand it from the perspective of somebody who's played this stuff for years. And I want to break it down and show you how to do it. And just like all of my other instructionals, it comes with the chart, the sheet music, the tab, as well as 6 authentic feeling backing tracks with live musicians playing this stuff. And you get the MP3 of my take, what I played, so you can kind of hear what I played. And you also get the one without the bass, so you can do your thing on it. So you can have the opportunity to play around on your own time, learn these songs, feel comfortable with them, and stop feeling so nervous every time they call out a hymn that you don't know. So I encourage you to check out this Hymns and Spiritual Songs Volume 1. I'll see you on the inside. All right, peace.